अहानबदा मरुइबा पाउसिंग पिजरे ngase ayuk pung 12 fabra curfew gi matam komthokhibaga loinena miyamna imphal mayolda chikna chainaba ngamdana potlam kaya leinaba thoknarakre ngasi su makhata na relief game singda tongan ba maikai dige mateng pangbagi thabak chathare Amadi Karnataka Assembly seat Chaniga Kungamari gi anoba mihut sing khananaba ngase state asida inchik na pangthokre Mayam Kurum Jare, ELITETV Pau Meeting Tabiri Basing Bosana Hemam Nataram Nokchere, Miam the Mapungoiba, Ipau Pizza Dingai Mangwina COVID-19 Gamari Lenana, Legak Napiriba, SOP Singak Nachet Pina Bakanganjare, Miam Namatam Pumbada Mark Supiba Kutsa Sang Hamdok Piba Amade, Mi Amaga Gimarakta Fitaruk Lab Nalevina Bakanganjare, Masida Santana COVID-19 give vaccine Sang Matam Chana Kaptok Pidana, Laichudase Bolan Tang Nabada Adom Suthaudang Lobio Hana ELITETV Ki Makedege, Miam da Piltozare, Jose Mapungoiba Pau Miam da Sandok Napizare. Numit Karanigi Mamang the Hauna Kanglup Masen Gimarakta Tokaning the Batodok Sing Tokibagi Matunda, Narang the Hauduna Manipur Mahosagi Punsida Tapnatapna Hanjilak Pahokre. Infal East Samadi West District Magistrate na Tokiba Order Magimatung Ina, District Aniesida Tamlamba Curfew Gimatam, Ngasi Ayukpung Mangadage, Taramatoi Fobakom Toki. Pung Karagi Oina Curfew Komtok Lingay Matamda, Miam na Toklaktuna, and Sang na Piamadi Nong Magimaru Eva Potlam Sing Labagi Tabak Tongnake. Infalgi mafam karada dukan thong hangnaki baga loinena gas station haibadi oil pump singda gari singi thau pinake masiga loinena hairiba pungja singa sigi manungda lambida gari kaya chenake curfew komthok lingai manung asida pamdaba thodok thoktanaba Central Army Force Manipur Police amadi traffic yauna akanba checksin thorang kaya paikhatke curfew ge matam loiraklaba matungda Infal Mayolda Police singna miyam pulamba singbo yumda changnaba PA system sizinaduna miyam butan sinaba curfew ge athingba thugaidana bahotnake Haukiba tang ahum dagi hauduna Churachandpur gi mafam kayada yummai thakibagi thokiba thodok adu Police Department na irang adu laksinbagi mahut yengduna lei haina Churachandpur Khuga Tampaktage KSH Sangit na fongdorakre wafam ase hauji Khuman Lampakta changza famlogduna leiriba awaba taraba kayaga unaruba matamda fongdoklakibani Mahakna Makhatana Lamdamasigi Tokliba Irangasigi Manungchana Churachandpur gi Khuga Tampak hairiba mafam asidagi hauduna Kanglup amagi miyoi kharana Kanglup amagi yumsing mai thaba horake Masida mafam da tariba police personnel singna irang lakshin bagi mahut handuna chatke masida gi khutlai paidaba micha miyam da miyoi kharana nongmai kapsilaki haina mahakna makhata ke
ELITETVMANIPUR upalite khoi yum kan basung amdre isha kan na bahona bada khoi di lot pam yaure ba de lot pa si su mu hingduira sidura hai bi su isya na khangjadre ba ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯐꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯉꯥꯏꯖꯔꯦ ꯁꯦꯐꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯂꯥꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯔꯤꯁꯀ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯅ ꯃꯇꯥꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯡꯉꯥꯡꯄꯥꯏꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯁꯀ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯆꯠꯂꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯟꯗꯔ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔꯗꯣ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯐꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯅꯔꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯂꯦꯞ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯕꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯌꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯊꯥꯖꯜꯂ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯄꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯃꯩ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯦ ꯖꯧ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯦ ꯖꯧ ꯄꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯦ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯕꯅꯤ ꯖꯧ ꯄꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯔ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯖꯧ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤ ꯇꯥꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯛ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ ꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤ ꯇꯥꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯛ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄꯅꯦ
ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯆꯨꯔꯥꯆꯥꯟꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯥꯝ ꯚꯤꯛꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯅꯕ ꯆꯨꯔꯥꯆꯥꯟꯄꯨꯔ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯇꯦꯝꯁꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯈꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯐꯝ ꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯈꯤ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 3ꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯨꯔꯥꯆꯥꯟꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯔꯦꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯨꯃꯟ ꯂꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇ ꯆꯪꯖꯐꯝ ꯂꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯨꯛꯃꯥꯏ ꯁꯦꯜꯐ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯁꯟꯅ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯆꯪꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯂꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯂꯝꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯈꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯂꯨꯛꯃꯥꯏ ꯁꯦꯜꯐ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯁꯦꯝ ꯅꯤꯔꯃꯂꯥꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯗ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯥꯀꯟ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯂꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤ
ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯁꯥꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯗꯦ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯐꯥꯗꯕꯤꯔో ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯙꯔꯃ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯩꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯃꯨꯛꯅꯔꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯂꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯈꯛꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯈꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯥꯎꯁꯤꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯕ ꯂꯩꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯚꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯨꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯂꯐꯨꯁꯤꯡ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯖꯤꯅꯁ ꯄꯤꯄꯜꯁ ꯐꯣꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯁꯪ ꯀꯁꯥꯔꯅ ꯈꯨꯔꯥꯏ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ MLA ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ PhD ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ L ꯁꯨꯁꯤꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯗ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ MLA ꯃꯁꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯗꯕꯅ ꯈꯨꯔꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ MLAꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯣꯛꯄꯗ ꯄꯣꯠꯂꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅꯈꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯑꯁꯪ ꯀꯁꯥꯔꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯈꯤꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯆꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤ ꯇꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯆꯤꯟꯅꯥꯎ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯌꯦꯠ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯖꯤꯅꯁ ꯄꯤꯄꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯅꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯉꯝꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯆꯔꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯀꯦꯝꯞ ꯍꯥꯡꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯖ ꯂꯥꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯖꯤꯅꯁ ꯄꯤꯄꯜ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯑꯦꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯦꯞꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯖꯤꯅꯁ ꯄꯤꯄꯜ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯅꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤ ꯇꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯅꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯝꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯆꯈꯤꯒꯅꯤ
ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯍꯇꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯏꯇꯦꯗ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚ ꯑꯒꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯏꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯃꯥꯏꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯚꯦꯅꯔ ꯁꯖꯥꯗ ꯍꯣꯌꯥꯃꯌꯨꯝꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯎꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯛꯁꯄꯔꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯂꯥ ꯐꯨꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯩꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯈꯤ ꯁꯖꯥꯗꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯗ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯤꯍꯥꯠ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯃꯤꯍꯥꯠ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯝꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯀꯝꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯦꯜ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯇꯕꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯀꯦꯝꯞꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤ
ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯃꯤꯠꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯔꯥꯜ ꯂꯩꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯤꯈꯝꯅꯈꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯛꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯚꯤꯛꯇꯤꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯂꯥꯟꯖꯦꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯄꯤꯁꯐꯨꯜ ꯀꯣꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯖꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯑꯌꯦꯛꯀ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯌꯧꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯅ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯌꯧꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ CPCMꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯧꯁꯤꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯤꯛꯂꯝ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯆꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗꯨ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯎꯪꯈꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯛ ꯍꯣꯜꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯧꯕꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯦꯀꯥꯅꯤꯖꯝ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯤꯛꯂꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯎꯪꯈꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯂꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯜꯂꯛꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞꯇꯨ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯛ ꯍꯣꯜꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯉꯥꯏꯐꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯛ ꯍꯣꯜꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ
ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯛꯁꯄꯔꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯕꯗꯨꯜꯂꯥ ꯐꯨꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯩꯃꯌꯨꯝꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯗ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯕ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯏ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯃꯤꯇꯩ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯗꯨꯋꯥꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯂꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 6033818937 9366172127 700551349 amadi 700561363 da contact tawbiyo haike
खरता ओइरबसु santainaba yanaba ngasi awana taraba miyamda aikoina ngamjaba adumlaba matingsing kharto orsu tawba ngamnanaba adumlaba pandamda hairiba committee ase semjabane masi committee ase aigi inak election biriba sajat buya mayumna convener oiraga miyoi nifuma thoina saba adumlaba executive committee ama semjare loina executive committee ama semjare loina na mi tara tari na saba advisory committee ama semjara ganda aikoi khudaktagi aikoi mangda sangsinanaba ngasi wai iba situation lasida aikoi na miyang mi mateng pangnanaba aduga hojik muknaraga ngasi amaga sangnadana ngasi huren kari kamba khunda kai thogadagi karamba khunda mai tharagadagi haibagi akiba leiriba sai asida aikoi gi miyamda aikoi miyam wakhan taminanaba amso aikoi hanagi tangdu leitaba punsiado madu hanjalaknabagi damakta aikoina khudaktagi haunana nabagi damakta aikoi kenosing semdok jabsu loijare
paugi marakta naten break amalo minase
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lisingamaga jamapal marifuhumdoida linkhatki masina awang nongpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyeng sing pangthoi mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pakna pangthokli wana hona jaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi Miyamgi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfamgi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyamgi seba taujari unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO School Channel Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational residential school located on a sprawling 50 acres campus just 24 km away from Imphal city. The school will be affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Academic session will begin on 1st April 2023 for classes 4 to 8. Registration commences open for 2023 and 24 session.
Notification. In continuation of this office notification of event number dated 5/5/2023, it is hereby notified for information of all concerned that meeting of the board's officials, head examiners, assistant head examiners, assistant head examiners, and examiners, government and private school will be held at the office of the Board of Secondary Education Manipur, top floor, for the subjects given against dates and time. 11/5/2023 Thursday morning 8:30 am English match. 12/5/2023 Friday morning 8:30 am Science Social Science. 13/5/2023 Saturday morning 8:30 am Home Science MIL optional subjects. The updated list of subject-wise examiners, government schools and private schools can be seen on the notice board of the BOSEM's office. ND. Issuance of curfew pass for all concerned related to the evaluation work has been initiated to the government of Manipur by this office letter number EX36/73/4/2023 dated 8 May 2023. SD Dr. S. Mangijau Singh, Secretary, Board of Secondary Education Manipur.
Breaking matungda mayambu taram nokchari makhataba pausing mupizare dolai thabi area da Assam Rifles amadi kuki militant singa khut thokna bada Assam Rifles ki personnel ama nongwi panduna soklei helicopter season aduna pu thoraklaga layengli haina security advisor to CM Kuldip Singna phongdokre wafama singa se CM secretary ta pangthokiba pamui singa unaba amada phongdokibani makna makhata na phongdokibada khut thokna bagi thodok adunga si ayuk thokibani madugi chapchaba report leitri personnel adugi pukta nongmai maru ama panki haiki amaromda hojik Manipur da law and order ki fibam phagalak e ngasi su ayuk pung manga dagi taramathoi foba komthoki hojik foba police tagi loot tawkiba nongmai chani ka marifu mari fagat pangamle loinena nongmai maru lising taruka chatret khomgat panga ngamle loinena irang asika mari lenena case chani ka marifu nipan register tawre haiki
supposed to come slightly later, but that is correct. One bullet injury happened to one constable of Assam Rifle in the stomach. He has been evacuated from there by helicopter and is being treated. In what circumstances that happened, that detail is awaited.
Sir, you have mentioned that inspection has started in Sukem. So can you please update some information in this regard?
Actually, inspection is yet not complete. Our teams are going to different camps, and wherever they have gone, they have found the cadres, though not all, but certain percentage of cadre are there, and locks are intact. Now, locks of the arms and ammunition which has been locked has been intact. Now, we have also asked them to open the locks and count the weapons which are kept there. So for that it's taking slightly longer than required. As and when it is done, we will inform you.
What is the exact number of deceased persons?
What is the exact number of deceased
Casualties?
Casualty, total casualty reported during the period is static, which was yesterday 66. But out of that, you please write it carefully, 41 are due to violence. Others are due to other reasons. All 66 are not due to violence.
So do you have record report of this 51 violence, like the places?
What kind of record? Violence means it happened because of the incidents which took place on 3rd and 4th. Violence means that.
And when will be the dead body be handed to their respective families?
Once we complete the evacuation or free movement kind of a program, after that we will take that into account, and then dead bodies will be sent.
So how many people are still yet to evacuate, sir?
Very few, maybe a few thousand, maybe 5,000 or 6,000 in different camps. The pressure in the camps is released quite large.
As the information that we had got from the national highways, the drivers stranded there.
The convoy is coming. I just told you, convoy is coming. There is no problem now.
In earlier 2-3 days back, some of the vehicles which have been loaded with essential commodities have been looted by some miscreants in
We have no
the
such.
district.
We have no such report of looting of essential commodity. There is no such report. Though rumors were there, yes, but there is no such report of looting of essential commodities. As you know, situation in Manipur is improving fast, and normal life has been restored. There has been relaxation in curfew, more than 4 hours at different places, and in valley districts approximately 6 hours relaxation was given from 0500 hours to 1100 hours. Forces have performed their duties well, like flag marches, area domination, searching of miscreants, and tried their best to restore all kinds of normalcy. In that, even helicopters as well as drones have been used to watch the situation over the city, as well as in far-flung areas, in foothills and all, so that any kind of congregation of nefarious elements can be looked into and appropriate action can be taken into. Now, recovery of arms and ammunition has increased substantially. It has now become 284 arms has been recovered from the looted arms, and approximately 6,700 ammunition has also been recovered. The free movement of stranded people is going on smoothly, and a large number of stranded persons have been escorted from Imphal to Churachandpur and nearby areas and nearby districts, and vice versa. Presently, after the escorting of the free movement today, there will be very less number of people in the camps, and that will also be done within coming few days. A total number of 288 cases are registered. We have also started the exercise of inspection of Sioux camps, and that is going on with the help of Assam Rifle and local police. In this way, situation has returned to normal to a quite extent. Even convoy which was stranded at Mao Gate has also started just half an hour back and coming to the valley.
Kanglokki irangda moreda panduna leirakiba maitai community miyoi kuntraganipan Wangjing Kodompopi Sports Complex sa changjafam logduna ngasidagi leikre Social and Cultural Development Center Wangjing na sinduna hangdokliba relief camp aduda DC Thobal Ahanthem Subas Singh na chatuna hakthengna unakre. Nakalamada lamdam asida Kanglop anigi marakta thokiba irang na maram oiraga Thobal district ki tongan mafam singda hangba relief camp singda changjafam logduna leidiba mafam singda DC Thobal A Subas Singh na luchingba official singh na chatuna hakthengna na yengsinkre yengsin khongchada da DC Thobal gi meeting makada hangdokliba PLC Academy Mayai Kaitel Grace Academy Yairipok Kekro Khangabok Higher Secondary School na chingba mafam singda koina chatuna yengsin baga loinana awat apasing amade khudongcha dabasing hangki Panbayay ngasigi yengsin khongchada da ADM Thobal B Lokeshwar SDO Thobal Mayengbam Ranjita su sarukyaki Thobal District United Women's Development Organization Sapam Mamang Lekai, Sapam Maning Lekai, Charangpat Amadi Tentha, Maira Pai Bilup Singh, Lamdamasi Tongan Tongan Mamapam Singh da Changzafam Lugduna, Lady Bamapam Kayada Chatuna Tengbang Potlam Singh in Tokre, Kakching Kuno Tongam Ningtau Lekai, Kakching Kuno Makalekai High School, Tongam UYC Club, Yambem High School, Kumalampak the Chatuna Cheng, and Sangnapi Amadi Furit Firol Kaya Tengbang in the PK. Manipur da Kundariba Kanglup Anigi Marakta Tokaning the Batodok Amada Lanjan Duna, Tobal Wang Mataba the Laiba, Titi hold the Changja from Loduna Ladiba, Mio Sing Dangase, Tobal Ketri Lekai, Taru Kongnang Women Committee na Chana Taknaba Polam Singh, Firo Sing Amade, Sen Gitembang Pikre, Taru Kongnang Women Committee Tobal Ketri Lekai, Secretary Tampasana Ning Tauzana, Irang Asina Maram Oiraga, Awabatar, Sing the Mating, Piminasi Hainasu, Niam da Piltoraki. Imphal gi jaga singda irang nem tharabasu manung hanjen ba jaga singda yumai thaba leptri haina sana sabi thamna pokpi yangang pokpi sabung khok amade waltabi hairiba khulasi gi oina semba protection committee gi convener chanambam sanayan bana fongdokre wafamase hazik oiriba manipur gi phiba masigi matang danga se major khulda laiba manipur press club ta pangthokiba pawi singauna ba amada fongdokhibani Mak na makata na lamdamasigi oiriba irang asi karamakai fare hairagaso yangang pokpigi santi khongba lekaida yumkai manghanbagi thabak chathari tawriba thawang asina mafam sida leiriba khaktanatana kuki singa khudaminariba jaga singa tangdu laitana leiba ngamdre masigi damak manung changsinba jaga sing ngak senaba army force tharaknaba apil toraki Hairiba sit tasin nadana tumina leithoklabadi semliba committee esina Kunsing ngak senba ngamnaba honabada makhal makha kayagi thawang sing tawgani haina makna makha takhi
Lairiba phibam sigi matungina lairiba chichen torang sing se mampunga paikat piu natragadi aikoi miyam sigi achauba iho amaga loinana aikoi lairiba community ani ge marakta soidana khud thokna baibse nong natraga nong di soiroi maramaduna yabima ge lengangna praja si kanbina bagi damakta aikoi mafam madonda Imphalomda irang nemdar abalina Imphalomda ge ayat force khata oi thajan biraga hairiba langdai oiriba sakomang bukhagumba yang buki thamna buki waltabi gumba sugumba area da state forcing karena thajan biraga aikoi ko ena ngakpi semiduna lamndugi nupi angang sing mi paina wana maram oirga ahing yumda yare pangam dripse namna bagi damakta legana sindi wana pai thamjage
Karnataka Assembly Seat Chaniga Kungamari gi anauba mihut sing khananaba ngase status da Mikhal ingchik na pangthokre Mikhal asida Karnataka gi hanagi Chief Minister Sidaramaya HT Kumaraswamy na chingba singna akan balamba tawnare Chairakasida BJP Janata Dal Secular amade Congress Party nasu makoi gi mirep singbo maipakani haina thajaba thamnare vote thadaba loibaki matam fawbada chaurakna chada yankai gi mathakta vote thadanaki ELITETV News Channel asigi oina miyamna email gi kuthangda ipau thabirakpa matamda email address info@elitv.in da thabiraknaba khanganjari masida satana ELITV da ipau fauna bagi oina phone number 9402890982 da ipau faubiraknaba khanganjari miyamna su ELITETV gi YouTube channel Facebook page Instagram amadi Twitter da su follow tobinaba khanganjari Losilakpada maruba pau sing mupizari Ngasi ayuk pung taramathoy fauba curfew gi matam kongthok lakhiba galunina miyamna Imphal mayolda chikna chaina ba ngamdana potlam kaya leina ba thokna rakre Ngasi su makhata na relief camp singda tongan ba maikay digi mateng pangbagi thabak chathari Amadi Karnataka Assembly Seat Chaniga Kungamari gi anauba mihut sing khananaba ngasi status da ingchik na pangthokre Hojik faubagi oina ELITETV na sandokchaba Manipuri pau matang solution jare mideng tabiru singbo amukana krumjare